What's up, guys? It's me, Mac from Mac Explorer, bringing you another video. Today, we're gonna talk about action camera for your adventure stories. So, how much do you guys actually need in accessories for your GoPro camera to tell a good travel and adventure stories? So, let's try to find it out in this accessories kit. I bought this from Amazon. One of the tools and equipments for a good travel and adventures video is that we need an accessories for our action camera to capture at different angles so we can make an amazing stories. So, this is all what we have in the accessories kit. We have chest mount harness designs for action sports adventures like biking, skydiving, skiing, or any other extreme sports adventures. An extra strap. And we have also a head mount harness good for hiking, caving, skiing, and any other sports adventures. A helmet mount stickers for any kind of helmets. We have also a wrist strap mount good for diving, jumping, or any kind of sports adventures. You can adjust your camera which PUV you like. A couple of safety stickers. And a bobber good for water sports adventures. Let's try to test this one. And a Gorilla Mini tripod, suitable to catch different angles where you can hang everywhere due of its flexible legs. We have also a monopod, good for travel vloggers and selfie addicts. And a helmet strap mount, good for bike helmets. A clip mount, suitable if you're wearing a backpack. A car suction cap mount, good for windshield. And a floaty back door sticker, good for water sports, suitable only with casing. And a bike mount designs for biking adventures. So, how many accessories do you actually need for your travel and adventure stories? For me, I need all those stuffs. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite one. See you next time!